guys, welcome back to a new tutorial, and today we're going to be showing you guys how to get a free virtual machine for whatever purposes you want to use it, like testing out if a sketchy file is a virus, or even just experimenting with fun viruses that are probably popular. Get right onto it. So first you want to go to your Google or whatever you want to use, and you want to search up Windows 11 ISO download. Windows 11 ISO. You want to click the first link that pops up, and then you want to press select download. Windows 11. Confirm. Product language, I'm going to be using English because, well, I speak English. Press confirm. And down 64-bit download. It's going to take a while for it to download, depending how fast your internet is. So now that the download is done, sorry if it took a while, we want to search VMware Workstation. Once you type that, click the first link. You want to scroll down here, VMware Workstation Pro for PC. Press download now. Once you're on this page, you want to go to the top right, login, and register. Now what you want to do is put in your email address and do the CAPTCHA. And you want to press next. After you do the CAPTCHA and all that stuff, it'll say verify your email address. What you want to do is you want to go to your Gmail, go to, press whatever code you got, and copy and paste it. Okay. I already have a user, and after you verify, you will have to put in some information. After that, then go back to your sign-in, and your username is going to be your email. Press next, enter your password. After you sign in, you want to go to My Downloads, right here. Free software downloads available, press here. Then you want to search up VMware Workstation Pro. It'll pop up right here. It'll pop up this. I'd rather doing the VM Workstation Pro 25H2 for Windows and do the latest release. And to actually agree to this, you want to go to term and conditions, keep it open, and agree. Okay. Now before downloading it, I have to fill out some information. I'm gonna do it real quick. After you finish that, then you can download it. It shouldn't take that long, and I'll just see you when this downloads completely. So once it is fully downloaded, you want to go to your File Explorer, go to your downloads, and you'll see here VMware Workstation file. You want to right click and run as an administrator. Press yes on the pop-up. And now it should show this setup wizard. Press next. I press accept to the license agreement. Next. Next. You can install it to whatever you want to install it to. Next. Next. And next. And press install. It shouldn't take too long to install, but I'll skip to the part when it is installed. Click finish. Go to your VM Workstation that you just installed. And you should be here. I already have a virtual machine, but I'm gonna show a new one. I'm gonna press create a new virtual machine, which is recommended, and then the installer disk image, ISO. You wanna browse and pick your ISO that you just downloaded. Next, name it. I'm gonna name it tutorial VM, and you can do it any location. And for this, you want to select only the files needed to support a virtual TPM, the default. So I'm gonna put in a password, and make sure to remember this password for the when you're inside the virtual machine to log in. It depends what you want to do for the maximum disk size, but for me, I'm gonna do 82, and recommended is split virtual disk into multiple files, or you can select store virtual disk into a single file. And power on this virtual machine after creation. You can, if you want, but I'm gonna do it. Press finish. It should create it, and then you should have a new one. Now, once it's playing, most people get a timeout error. To fix it, you want to press this arrow right here and press shutdown guest. Shutdown. And then you want to press power on this virtual machine. You may multiple times. Yeah, see, it might do it many times, but once you get it working, then it'll work forever. Now, when it's all downloaded, you want to do your whatever you want to do right here. Make sure your keyboard is US. I would like to repair my PC or install Windows 11. You want to press install Windows 11 and agree. And you don't have, since you don't have a product key, you're gonna press I don't have a product key. Now, you can do anything here, but the most recommended is Windows 11 Pro. Accept this, and then you should have this selected. If you should have this selected, press next, and you want to do install, press install. It might take a little bit and it'll restart, but we'll skip to the part when it's fully loaded. Now it's downloaded. Press your country or region. I'm gonna use US because I'm using the keyboard layout. We're gonna press skip right here. You can if you want. So you can name it whatever you want, but I'm gonna name my local admin. I recommend naming it too. Should be loading. Alright, once it's right here, it'll say, how would you like to set up this device? We're going to press set up for school, set up for work or school. So you want to sign in, but Once you get to this page, you're gonna press sign in options. Press the domain, join instead. I'm also gonna name this local admin because this is gonna be what it's called. I'm going to choose something else for the profile name, which I'm going to choose for me local creator. Then we're going to set my password. Keep in mind you do want to remember this password. Then confirm it. It will answer some security names. I'm going to go to when I'm done with this. And then once you get to this page, turn everything off. You do not want this because we're doing what I want to do. And then it'll do this. I'm just gonna do update later for me. And then you should make it into here. What you want to do is before doing anything, go down here and press install tools. And right here, it'll pop up right there. When you press that pop up, it'll pull up this. Press run setup.exe. Press yes in the pop-up. It should install. And it should set up welcome to installation wizard for VMware tools. Press next. Press typical and click install. Should not take that long to install. And it should finish. Press finish, and it will say you must restart your system. Just press yes. And now that you're in here, everything should load in. And then you want to go down here. You want to press this. Search up check for updates. And there'll be a ton of updates to install. Just download and install all. And I'll skip back to the part where it is all installed. Okay, so everything is updated. It might have took a while, but as you can see, everything is updated. It says your update date. You can download this preview update if you want. It's optional. It doesn't really matter. But since I don't like to waste time, I'm not gonna download it. So once you have all of this, VM up here, and press snapshot. Take snapshot. So you can just put normal from scratch tutorial VM. and description. I'd rather do your stuff. So user, local creator. So I'd rather just do all that. So if you download a virus and it destroys the VM, you're able to just revert it back to your beginning. So you can go to a normal state. It is very helpful. And then you can go back to the snapshot, revert, and you can take new snapshots. And make sure you have your internet on, and your internet will be on. You can browse everything and do everything you want to. So now you can do anything you want to do in this thing, such as testing viruses, experimenting with stuff, and other things. So that is it for today's video. Please like and subscribe for new tutorials, and peace.